Welcome to solverfy.
It says a movie studio wishes to determine the relationship between the revenue of a rental of DVDs and videotapes of comedies and the revenue generated from theatrical release of such videos. The studio has the following bivariate data from a sample of 15 comedies released over the past 5 years. These data give the revenue X from theatrical release in millions and revenue Y of DVD videotape rentals in millions of dollars for each of the 15 videos or movies. The data are displayed in Figure 1 scatterplot. The least squares regression line for these data has a slope of approximately 0.15. So it wants you to find the linear regression equation. So what you're going to do is, the first thing that you have to do is, and I know that I'm using Excel, but for something like this, you have to have some type of a program. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to find the mean of X. Then you're going to find the mean of Y. Then you're going to take the difference between each one of your X values and your mean of X. So that's 34.12. And then I'm going to drag this down and it will calculate the rest of it. Then I'm going to find the difference between each one of my Y values and my mean of Y. And then I'm going to drag that down, and then I'm going to, oops, sorry, I have to put the number in, 8.38. And let me just calculate that again. Dragging that down. Then I have to multiply this value times this value, and then this value times this value, and then this times this, and then this times this, so on and so forth. Then I'm going to total that whole column, and that's known as the sum of my products. Then I am going to take the square of each one of my X minus the mean of X values. So I'm going to square each one of my X minus the mean of X values, and then I'm going to total that. And that's known as the sum of the squares of X. To find my slope, I'm going to take the sum of my products and divide it by the sum of the squares of X. And to get my y-intercept, I'm going to take the mean of Y and I'm going to subtract it by the mean of X times the slope. And my linear regression equation is y equals 0.15 x plus 3.37. Okay, so I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.